Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye. Hello, my people. How na day? I agree the hustle. Also, na they enjoy na self. Also, na they enjoy. I greet everybody. If una dey hear me, more na tell me this one na just quick one, just quick one. Iwa tahere. Una dey hear me? If network no good, more na tell me. Because if the network not dey okay, I'll still do it later. Now, good afternoon, More na tell me whether na dey hear. Because the network fit dey shake, Hello, everyone. Now they hear me. Now they hear me. If una not they hear me, more na tell me. If una they hear me, more na tell me. Now was I get zai. No bokeh zai. Me I first see comment. I not see comment. I don't even know whether they. Good afternoon. No network. Network. More na not worry. Na just small one. Okay, Joy say yes. Okay, that's just small one. Here wa no gimaze we ma ọmọ vera salobua ọmọ vera wa agbe na social media ọmọ vera Destiny, thank you. Even though say the network no good maybe later I go still do it because where I dey now network no go. E no go stable, e go get as e be because ogbe yogbere, me I just talk am small, but later the day. My people, my everything with the year, thank you. Okay, now sas. Everything why onaga oge doveri ana. I like oida osa. Nika ya we mi here wa oni wata here wa no but later I go maybe later or tomorrow if I get chance I'll call you do gwan kan kakabo. Mami a video no with osa wo ni me because that is the first one ni me no na ata we ivie ya imi Destiny imioni. You know we ni menje with osa man o ma make no na offend me ma weti a hate because him no iye time anytime ya we video must to time we Rude cannot drive yari any or see any mana iwe mo any mana like man understand because a canary maybe jim me set jo me na mi ma no ga ari ba ni o ma ni awoni ya re we he like you we when I forgive you we yetin understand because e can no gwedo ya no so oni bogo ni mami emi no sunu wogo ivie wogo without sana emi ni me dege wu well because even ni me ya dege mi eri ma be ya dege mi so wala wo before I get anything at all no come here no daughter well shut up your mouth enter house na inside my house now day and I me get my mouth because your opinion wo well me okpa ni me dege mi no without sa type video ni o ma tell me no bad o ma tell me damn evani why ti what tell me down for me honor art as a father here ni dege evani ni wa dame yo Ovi da osa heart as a father, he may surprise na ovi da osa guana. Or heart as a father be noga ata be bani. You understand? Because when or money ona when we da omana do report ma we gemi no we and no we ni reken weje usira mani ta ma we edovi oga we so ho yo hu to amere nya because of wherever ni o si onata o ma mi ne we just no gele we o ma ni ipa ne o we ipa ya ni re ne we o ge wu ma de ba yin o bo ma ni bi ye ke la wo bi je me abi omo dan e ga gbe wa bi ai we e ma bi o ne mo o bi me no o ja yin mi o ma ni bi ye ke because e he si ra we wherever ni no ha mo ma ni we ma ta no de ba bi e ijo mo no de ba bi e mo ma do report mai ijo mo dan no ijo mo dan no ukasirama ni usirama ni ugbowe wa igbene uya lieke ya imi ni ga tama we ba we o we dobe ya mere nya we unu ya aje ami jo mo no na gbeyan mo la wo yo bo we ko omo ga gbon ya no obego mani udano na arriva ni kese dobe no mi hana me ke na mo we jin tai wo mana o we gbe we dobe we be na igi ya wo mani eme so ni me dege bu we wi da sama tell me down we ba ni. You understand? So we dancer emi okpa we ni tamawe when we mon we bie me no je. You understand? Because ave mani ya zije ya fe no ma egberi la dian ero because omo so we gbe omo nu bie no oga wo gele bio e wo wa je kia we ya bio u ha bi ala dian do a reply so mi okpa ni me ha wa verse we do na rie o take o ma na rie o wo me no my opinion no e la dian do a reply vie. You understand? E la dian do a reply e here ni me watch e me ya gwana o e la dian do a reply because oga wo gele bio we just omo nu bie no wo koke u ha wo la dian no because omo gbera o me so yan gberiyan o ma me mi neri yan bi alele yan bi italene o si ai no me ba ni o wo me phone o be buyan de mo bio eri ero mojawo eri jo mojawo because u ha wo wet e bo no we wa be alele no wa gbado ati e bo the outside no u we le ri oni ere de ga ri o tone egbo yan keni na wrong all day babala wo we ni ga wo ni oro ni ami me so meri oni no gere ro bi eri yan ro bi jiyan ijiyan le li yan ja ti e bone oni o si agbe no me so we da osa wa take him na u take o mana be take we u like insult ni because we accept la dia gbava if you accept la dia igba enu gba no kan ho no ga wetin yeri win na okay ya ti e bono so take care very only way oga wo ibio ivo. You understand? Enu do ala dia no wa do exchange words or talk ba we ti gbe emi ya fefe no wa tale ya fefe ya na do avano la dia is very bad. So so ke we ya ta ne we era e ohin ya we mi era lele. You understand? Me we ivie normal ivie na ma de normal ivie ma de normal wa ya fefe so akpobo yo so am like yo so ha me no carry on which is very bad. Omane normal de normal when na adege unwe womani o ma de normal unwe womani o ma normal and ivie where to are where when we je man because you have to take care of yourself. You need there badly. You need there. Social media help you when we wa una. Ya help you we. Ya mo fire yo. Ono na ema. Ya we ra na ema igo wari efua. Nok ba ema igo wari efua. Nok ba ema igo wari efua. Okpa ika ema. Ba ika eguyo egwe isu ni we. Nok ba ema nore London. Ema nore debo no siebe hin oniwe ma de no hima wo obi da sa ebe ma no tebe ra nyo pa kan o yi mete opia no we ya we no ya we ita we era me na hin do ma ve no hima o ke no we tota no we no ya zije rokpa ema no we ya zera ni oni give ma aye gu ka gbe ne before ge no gbe ra beto ma ye ke no ye bitiri we na go mo when wa we kuni una dege wo offend we no ya tai we ona agwan we phone something like that when am bogbo we or something like that utie ukpo we no we daddy iga are lani emi we wa atani we na wa gelegbe mewa igbodo ka ma we eru da we na ataru de mani reba ni ya oge ti de ba we iwe ni ka tai very oni ne ya we ya imi destiny we believe we with the house aga ya mi destiny o we ekwe eta nia eta almost to take away pano now we no because I believe we destiny ataberi we pano now we na forgive ivie but o ma no me picture me la diani I oni mi o ma ni e me igwalo na you understand enu wela dia no arovio mi ya fefe no wa over ho udo mwe ya la dia ti no mo kan ti ne moke ya is very bad if you na ni we gbe e ma because u ya hule ma ye gbe were uwe ya hule ma not a women u ya hule ya ye gbere because when me je o me ti when me si work gbe you know why because we have a tie me wa ho iwu have a tie me because e beg ma no ero vie no we die me no we tie na do ari me no e dion we no ma si no ya dien we no kan egbe yen ya you understand so any ave nu we uni any rock by ene jobo era no gele bi we ona offend we umu e ya na no do agbenia u be we because yan we oni mo ma or your mama ukponata yo ve la mo da o te be no je because when we ya mo mi emi da ovi da o san we ya mo go win yo eru we social media me ba believe we mi kere o ha so no ve ya na u do wari e la di o bon we wa I ma believe it's very bad if you o na ni tie we ni ha ma we nu ra don ni iya ma we me we because iya we me we iya ha ma we eme na o severi o ma se na tie bo ma se na ya gbi na baba na o ma nu we ta we your father we your eru we if we no na re problem me even we ya mu dia joy iga beg are video we menu ya mu dia joy it's very bad we no ma se mi rokpa o do si ezo o wa do ri emi ya wa no bu me menu wa na we gbe me ri oni emi tun kele no ma se mi rokpa na atalogy o wa do destroy we go 20 o be destroy friendship okay no ma se mi rokpa no ma say okay agwa we ni lolo Monica wetin you say wetin gumeta ma we ni viena mo ore ba ni la re gumeta mo yan we enwo ore oje bo ruwe mu me aja wo wetin we wetin you na say me if you apologize to destiny make una dey talk the truth am ore ba we I no my wa kwe na me wo no we if you ba we marry go ne wana we wana be vie na re ati e pichi vie wa me wo ya wana see ti wonya gana e pichi vie o say social media no o ma so but ore destiny agbo ya mi yen ya we video we ya o ma wi yen mu go ne o ma be ka me Monica wi yen mu go ne I believe we Monica gele jaji we je so gele mu go ne Monica na la diando 10 no ga ata ni we 1000 ka wari ege why ga je ne ya wole ne because I may believe when Monica and with your marry go ne la diando ta we o mu go ne o do ta we o give no sunu but o marry go ne but if you know eta we you know eta moti o Monica we yen mu go ne destiny you get 1000 something yen ka the 1000 yen ka wari ege akwa na ba na ugi asen be oni e no mai agwa na me no we wa temata ama me piche ivie boy ivie no ga so we pishinye o ama mi no but am your destiny do mana we ronia obi okpa ma ya hin da so but o ma ga mo destiny o ma no dey picture ni la dia me gi gwalo imi yo ave is enough wa kere na do awu na wasene na o ivie na gbegbo e no pa no wa rie la dia because o ma ga agwe o ma picture ni ga agwe o ma picture ni ga agwe ni abi destiny o ma na gbo no so lolo Monica nene mi wa gun awun enu ta won because eba nu ma gi ami e nu we o ma wa la de social media we yen mu go nu we no mo na bere 5 kobo we wa like atemata anako emi asoro se una ya yin mi se ye ku because uri ani wa so be no bi da sa ha me ni we no yin mi o ya yin mi we me eze so aro uti u right But okay, kaire. I don't have where we were not right in the world wrong. Who dem no no magba. Because me believe you when we dance, I think yo revieta mata me we imagele rigone daddy, imari oh but when ata wo rigone ya imie. Me believe you want say no we dance anata me we no ya imie mi ove. Because nobody not tanya we vie mwe picture ni ladian. Nobody not tie any only way if you mwe picture ladian. But you go not tie when you pain ni. Abieri obe taboge boy na no gare no ritali. If you atemata we no wata we bogelero atemata beni menje me wa mo he bo gedegbe o se iba ma oge awa iwa mo ha because I so believe you we boero ebo wa ro o ma no we boero ya du emi re nu ya sin nu wo wori e nu age bo wo ja we ya lomi e ebe soro e to gbo e wa oja we ya lomi oja we amujo mure. So osi no mana temata. Nya we any ohona si we are any places o mudia tai we jess igele we esien. We bet destiny black me ivie. Yes or no? Only even ivie tania. When ivie to oge. My sister or be my brother. Ivie to oge Monica katai. Why ya done a video ne Monica ve lolo wegene ne lolo na ro we na ro we Monica tell me o we vie to oge. Abi wama woga ata wegene o tai o what to oge. On at many things. But he may surprise in ye deja way if you ta we ye pay go na wa deja, you know, because someone not told you not tell me. He may away ke we are tell any ladian because we tell ladian no wo run way yata. Emi vieta ni he way or black me or one na. Because someone not told you I got tell matter ugiye no matter way ugiye dem matter ugiye demata ita because okatoge ugijaji egba do atemata ma webetu we no nia unwe woman ni ohun oge dano ugiye nu kan jaji so if you watch what ave mi nu we wa una ima gwaloma no gele mudia nu no ge men eminu ka u back because e so no ma u we no gbe we fo ane odo alogo ma bo keke because when we ka yo bu we ya sin because o ma no toge emi so ro wa toge na una like no ga destiny generate ya mo ba ye lala e so wa ro wi yen mu beto ya mo bo gbejo o ga eri ogele ya sunu dan o ma no we mo ma o ta ma odo aka ma we itie wezo no gele oni ye ngweni ye zio boyo wa o kama we gin ye tie wezo o ya mo ebo gbejo o ga eri ogele ya sunu dan omu gbegbe eri oja sunu benye bu gasien o imu omu gbe o mani o si eni me na mo ebo e me so I believe boero we no si eni ebo na ro because o ge bungbe obungbe. So my brothers and sisters, we da osa iwa doje opportunity na ya go egun because me di alaja ho di alaja votane no because since the network dey okay ne la dian because one woman nu bie o kan ebe no je okeri ewe jes wa bio susu bio ene wa bieful. You understand? U bio ene wa bieful. Enu do aladian wa we do exchange words or talk ba we do tene. No, don't do that. Eromo no rioma be na go owie we very on beg or is when is if say we lady na e go by ka or is we one is reply on a bizu gbe on see ayeba o my ga reply o my we if you have no we wa una e dey very sorry no social media happy we wa ta me so we depression or worry yan we tuti eboni yan ahia o we depression worry o ma enegbe we o yan we tuti eboni yan many things raw no see woman do depress then if you na ma ta woman depress o ma ni towe unwe woman ni uwe de go de Titi about no view, but I must tell you the truth. Because some are not pass through many things we pass through. Or we are depressed. Ologo. Ukamo dowa. Moreva. Emi ya de okay. Ya na ari. Okay keire. Wokpa idomu dia swen. Moero doero. Uma depressed. Ologo. Okonuke na ya anwina no anwini go noki. U depressed. If woman na de wina gbe self depression be obe yesi. Una wina gbe obe sie. Una de wina gbe obe sie. Ama wu we. Uvie va van via wota ba social media. Iya help you we go and help yourself. Help gbe we. Emanire social media iya ivi ya gwinya ro wa ivie. Ivi ya gwinya ro wa. La vie ni me believe ke su we genia we. Iya vio mono da fon we. Hein? A judge, iya need a way no change because of beg iya beg me so no say yama na vio monu but we must set it change vie when we ya change eh wa agwala ave doctor na ave doctor no help ma e wo ya ha me judge where I don't change iya believe on it iya need the proof and we need there we need there before it's too late ave man do ata lo ma be social media iya happy we ba we that dog me vinya wo wa me no go we gwana ibi me gu me ru wa Iru de social media feeling yakwa awawa. Gba oge gbewe everything. Ebi o ibungbe my vie. Ma. Ave manu wele later on o wa work pa ni wa dere me video. Ori we ne video my set ga hin on so top. Ina even ya amu na nu we ne vie. Ina wa ata ye ko me o na ato me. Oh, my setting you so tall. Waiting. Huh? Oh, my setting you so tall. Bave walking. I went in your work pay over selfie. I am very only go. Huh? If you in my head, you wear. You talk a man where because you then nini na TV any because man with a family. Yeah, why you view when you job or when I do a very na. Huh? What we na do a very na. Ave ma no lele weni no pobon weni no watama we vie carry on wa we miesi. Iye happy we vie. Ibi ya gwinya ruo wa. Try no gba oge gbe we. Try. Wa mi me so na me depression. Gelero etero. Ibi ya gba oge gbe we. Emanire ma ni iye happy we. Iye help. If we me so ro self or lost je a depression wa like be. Because some asset take care when you lost the family. Or was one do our women no matter no do our ama when ya era no gele be we me contact very oni e gbo etu eniyan wa mi yen le ku very oni e odoni apa e mo ero no raja we ya feel happy u dey lonely e depression must to evie. Try no gba o gbe we la o. Try. O me wi no bowe. Huh? Social media magwena hewe. Ime do imi we vie. Social media you boy vo happy we. Ave nena no we dona happy we because ave ni vie una evio we. Evio we. O manere gba na eseti awe gbe me oni o kenu wa be judge ni onu wa be believe. Oni dey help. Oni dey help. Ave doctor no gba ogo mani me ba tiyan nene wi no pa me na ti me jere na tiyan. Uni di vie because what that by a problem ire una do a one kind uni that doctor ni no happy way out otherwise so do hin way because woman na happy woman na happy gbo when ya o hin way and again it's too late to cry. O na mi me so wa hin o pa wa ta lo hin wa ta lo le ya hin. If you happy gbe we o ma ro pa ro no happy we when ni tamawe wa rie overi o mana rie again wa ja it's too late. You understand? Imanire social media no hama we carry on right down ebo de no pa ro ivinya gunya ro wa ya le vai ya mvio ni vinya venu we je ni wa le ni omi we no aviona because of him no sonuna unide vie. Unide. C'est social media, eh? Et me a de okay, you can come back little by little. But on na ni okan bungbe. A kan wa agun o ma seti nga hin soto. Ai wa we. Ivie. Ai vie we mi oja. Ai vie we mi oja. O we na wa do change. Ivie lao try. Egigo ni dawe ya gba ogegbe we. Egigo ni dawe wo because won win ni go ja gba ogegbe we. O ma ro pa ero no do gba ogewe. Egedo hion we na da mi ado mi we it's too late. Because oma atamu wa ni we o na me depression o yan we woman depression o woman enemy o no o ma name okpia umi okpia okpia no come all the time u wa okpia ni wa gi ro wa gi mi egbe wa ro since no years no hin depression mo sore e mo nu bie u le ra eniyan u opo niyan u viyan je school wa mi yen gbagun yan ka ma we je ge kono ni like ge mi no sunu depression mo sore almost sore. Because all see ebe we boy in can view more will be who because in way if no one can pass through or ye get that be or see an avion more avion no who I won't be out ye no be meeting so who or see an avion more but a no joy boy avion more boy view more who when we nan your wake be because in ya want to take care of yourself we take care of yourself no one will penta or penti we know. Yani de a dot on it no assist you we a dot on your head or bembere we just or they okay ne otherwise very sorry a social media Facebook iya mejo boni ya jenwe gift away forget that she not here no be say we take care advice have around not take just well me the right person no direct that is what I believe. Only me me believe but when me wa we time now you ti wa we time very always take care because all my hama we quick yan no we o kan week yan ro won no because wa again ya be ya we social ne ya we even ya ti a live video your back kan or different the way because of pass through a problem or a problem it all only. So my brothers and sisters oma no me adio na wa go make sure go with dausa when e ladian when e ladian or try because he may surprise way o with dausa gwan be no ya gwan or try it's just that if you take it to another level because era wemi ijo na wemi u do agbe social media utame baba na no wa na ma de like o e ma ba like o we be give no see na we or explain my way we all say na we very na we do we ma baba itewe to wa hating e se very we no do that na no ga reba see na ta iye be ne ya go destiny gwan o for very so we da say la dian do go reply wa o kan we do reply vie no o ma sa ma e se very ni oje o weje no oje ni dey happy we o ho not e bonu e yin ogun o ke ke no we yen wo mo no bie we o ma dey normal as way on a problem understand ma na problem e we agwalo ma no we age problem ni jajo egbe eyen uwe understand so you take care as your daughter you know where o wegele no because work by kan yen me social media ni mo ma be aminya no pa ogbin ya na ro ahun fon yan wi yan ma igwalo so since we take care we ti era ro wa yeri e be ri oni wa so we no won we da osa yeri e be ri oni try no make sure we o help no ave problem na no pass through na de to ale le because work pa wa ijo be work pa wa jevani Dutchland Dutch wa evaze no ya mi doctor oni de with answer now me gita mo we na because wo si ko ese if you need de we no ya mi doctor maybe no pass through na normal thing like say me ne o ma no dey okay o ma ne brain on correct nya pass through because ijo mo no gele we just again gyomo so we ya u di anu ya go give ya o me ya ge we aka ni ijo mo wa so mo for ne ne wi e le ba ne e me no we we mo we ese u ya we o ma normal because a brain already there is something wrong. Something is wrong there because normal person no more for 9 months. Abandon we very only. So ave manoka abobe siko no me enwe otivie yen wa o need dey help or wa. O think am wa we man need dey when o man ne no we mi no ma gba ni wa ha me we na no we na ma gba o we the right one no but we no dey normal when we no wo ma dey normal. So my brothers and sisters, just a little one when it was a get time because a network now it is shake at any time. Also now was a get waladia. So if you la wo and then na get who very your name. Get who very your name because your we does a back and all man way they ta way your eru way. Who wants to social media woman? Nobody knows say where bani. Gbere enyi ekpa kan o weta we era me na hin o daddy me na hin make una talk say na hate TV we are hate no see mama mi we na nia no gwa na nia because Monica Lolo Monica nenemi we no gwa na nia woman no malike de ni megita na nia no ya mi we ija hate TV yeti hate we ni okpa kan no hwani ni kata ba iwe the family ayi vie we mi oja ya hate eba ya hate eba o gbe mo mojo a bi to kati ebo me eni meta ma na ni adem ni hate ro do ho we hin ya ne Lolo Monica na if you when you go we ro wa abi enya vio no da fon we wa tenata o ko na vio mo me no ya bi evie o ti we anything by anything what are you talking? 9 months is not a joke. Do biola don mwen no do koke ora so rulere. O ma na vi o mo me no ya behavior. Abi ma emi so na vi o mo be ne ya we mi. The same thing e vie ya una. So agume do go we go an wi atinye Lolo Monica una no dey talk truth say name una hate vie. Bi ha go hate. Be ni meje me hate o ma I could dislike him no. Bi ha hate we ba o ma dem no me ni ha na hate we. Abi ni ka me we no waka bo agbo bi da osa oni we ni ta me oni we ne ni wala je na we wi da osa un da ohia we hin e nu wa wo na no o we ri yen no abi o me no kai e ri yen no my godfather yet do adeni do se control you we no godfather we ha mo we e na mo we be ni ana ya emi o ma na o emi no the reason no na we ijo bera no me emne ra atama we otama we ni te de insult Ivie. Ivie a we insult you, tita mama we na no ta no ja insult me. Ijo mo ehin, we understand. Iya gengomo. O we head on ha me many an we because ya kwe block we bounce because me take rubbish. We understand. Me take rubbish. Yonzo ewe na hera, yonzo e. Odega agbon ya kenze zovi da osa we oni yegwa lo no ga eri yon azo ewe na hera. Evi ni me like we like ni ya. Emi no ze no. Emi no joma o ma ze. Since o choose ewe ri yen no. So de no we do atabu we. Aize oni ma we mi vie. O ve se platform vie no ha mi vie right don. Come make I tell you, Nita Mawe, children deal with their father. Father heke no, ona wa ta no wa son me. Father heke no gba o mo abi mother. Yeah, amere mo no gwa be gba o mo say, but it's not like that. You have to be 50-50. Ona no wa ya ta mi vie we vie, don't worry. The children deal with the father. We ha mi meni awe ivie ni eze dia vie wo wa we o bi meni e me do ri e me do just ku ve na me do me filion ho me ona no wa ya ta me we vie no worry the children dey with the father we dey with the father abroad is 50-50 ya na we na se gbe ai is 50-50 then we genia if you when you we ya ha agwe o na mi we to be ni vie nwe na ni is 50-50 o heke no degi vie no mi vie ejege why ya ta me we if you no worry your children dey with the father nothing dey happen who we hata me many we a love no money then die eri me die if ya omo ije na degi be throughout a month Don't say that, eh? Why era be do ijo here? But we ate we lolo Monica name. Hey, take better than your name. Hey, time out. Hey, time is very bad. Hey, time. Because I more away boy 50-50 no. I'm when your day 3 times we had one meal, 3 times in your say, okay, well, 4 times I guy. And I was see another one back where there is something wrong there. And I see another one back. That means say judge or where very only way who set it do a me where money or hecking or wearing and where me money and me or mom or whoever bonawa me have your not that phone. When we see. Iwa I'm your mom, I'm your or mom away boo. Ya ne judge, ya ne lawyer. Because here a problem no only have pass through. All cause many things we bring. But no ya me there is something wrong. Eh? If no ya me oh if you know if they see the children. I can enjoy my ebego ye. I wait till the day they cook we van stage, van in yavi. We are at least it bava a week. Ya do ya to no ye ke we you gbero rinya. Wetin watana watana. Okwu onye love we bo okpi ya okwu onye love we bo una gwa mudu una gwa fighting egbewe if ye edame ya mostly no we tinye Monica lolo ni enemy edame o where your children dey with your father de gbe wa ata gbon so ni emi jwe da we mi eti jwe koko we se eti jwe yo bo obesi ya mo we won na fian we ore gwe wo wa eze yo ni e de ze yo work for yourself gbinane gbewe fight for yourself a lot no mo ho mudia fight jo na me we money when dia ma ho ya ma vinya gwe we nya do aseke we but make sure we ya minya eh before ke block ho we no ho do ami mo wie o ma ge emi on sie ba ni wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyà no be that ẹ ní atama wẹ bàtí wẹ lè yàwé gbọ́ ni ẹ̀bọ̀ wẹ̀ yà tìyẹn nene lọ́lọ́ nene mi ẹ̀ don't be say oh salobo àwọn máa yá gbogbo àgùn ẹ̀ náà ọ̀nà làwà hún wọ́n máa yá gbogbo àgùn ẹ̀ náà ọ̀nà làwà hún dó kpi ahìn ìṣọ́kọ̀ kpi ahìn ahìn ìṣọ́kọ̀ kpi ahìn ahìn so men no dey see their children na true but kpi awẹ́ gbé sọ̀hún Voze ni na mo job very yoni o kpia emi no kpia pass through o kwa pass ehere okay voze na ta wo kpia via woba voze ni na ta wo kpia via woba hu o kwa ke ni kede ke wasunu o viene wa via reason Monica ne lolo Monica we me ha na wa via reason la wo why you have CV very only where the children dey with a father no problem there you want we hate and many away if you feel like we a more kenyeje I take bad very only it's very bad when no wa momo for 9 months do biola dia mo even no je we feeling ni ro very only or pass through something or need no work yegbe or need no we no heke but no ya well don't ya go with social media which is very bad. Again, ya tell of social media ni oja we no heke no who because we have to be judge you have a judge where I don't change I'm not a good mother I'm not responsible no they no one buy that one when one win I only no way you need to do something and you over no ni viema tamu wa no see ni na we ni edo abe ni e ga mi omo e get tamu wa ni a judge you are mu e very only way from today you cannot see your children no. Even be as seven year watama where you cannot see your children. No ya bagbe in we no honi areva ni midst of that no bien weni o hona ami owe. But weti ya mwe no ya weti ya mwe ari ogwa no ya vie. Why ga verse mi dan wala o. Because a love na o to ake build a build okay for nene akno boy bana we 2 years na if me mi vie for that 2 years na no me ya mi vie ni o we feel we if ye ha ogogo wo wa o se ona jo panike you wa ya gbe anything already gbe la social media almost ogun ajo so need the help why you got time man e very on I got time. Eh? I got time very only. I very yana fefe na no pass through. Now when time we say normal thing. It's not a normal thing. Or need the help. Eh? Even say for man not get a love ije na do me we ije or lost ije. Uma bere no ya be that moment. Ti yokele emi ya ke do gbera kere to do gbera me wo mo no we wa be e me ha o. Awa mi ewe ama bere yokpa no e. We wa yokpa ni we adege ba ni ekowe bi ari ni awa mi ewe ni ya fefe no me. Awa mi no me nike. Inwe na pa kan see ane no nwina. Abeg. Any meje yet it am we vie e worry ge wa koke here money agwala ba hwe no be so. The money e ya dege awe muslim na bia me webo. Wana advice ore dana. We no worry be out take care for more. No be so If you get advice ore dan. Because who were lost a love or money who were lost every blessed day. So work with your work yegbe we. If the judge come when we Yahweh. Even the judge come away because walk by even the judge come away when no work is ye work I can walk by the so try no way. So now so I see because I mean wa dega be me so nya wa we no ma gba wa iko ye gwe mi na hu mi na e na ma nia. E na ma so if you la wo ni tama we wa en we iman sort we e ma tata ma we o me ne judge we no we na we do ya jokpa ni keje ma ni social media gbe ya we na make no wa me 50-50 with eri we okwa yamadu abi owa we kere no with time kere so we da sa ge na ge severi oni won because okay we ya ati review ne wa we gun ne o we ka megu wo go father wo erabe mana take everi oni because o ga mo nu je ki we ya bie no e kan temi opa no we do ti gbe no we do alade no do aro we no forget about make sure we me eni we o ma no mo egwe no je because no wan we be he won so when no if ya temi opa u me do lade o me do reply no woni okay we ya time we we mo u take care na go mo no bie ne wa be take care ri oni we wa we mi ya fefe no ta lo ni ma ya we oto o we ya he ohun ne mata kwe bi aru we o ja wo we o water enya we so ni me dege bu we oni me dege bu we because ave man doa my day then name me mumu presenter why we ni stop na stop waiting ni ha mi vie no ya gbe gi no wa abi ne we da so ahia no ya gbe when you say make I stop tell me now boy when you stop ni make na we ni kini hana stop hi now wow my people I don't want me I block anybody today because it may like am no more de gboto wa mo we no ma ga mo ge wa mo we no ma ga mo we no ma ga mo ge mania I beg my brothers and sisters me I leave una because no only way anyway stop madam stop me I know man the near stop if you we matata man because we da sa pa kan o era me ba ni o ije abi wa ma bere so we da sa get down we wo ro we o ka be ti na be ma no ya we je won tell me the issue now about the children no be she start hey osalo bua no be she start oh me I block this Lolo Monica me I block her no be the issue wey dey ground the issue wey dey ground don't even talk that one imegi do ha mi yen ya we try work on yourself Emion si emi, no be that one concern. Emion okay, who wa what many again if you na live video again ni again ni eri vi ka age again na. Eri ido age na. Eri oje. Emion hote. Dem no hote. Udana na mi, no dana na mi vie. What are you talking? Huh? Emion hote ma. Ọmọ ma wa beni me wa yore na ni ya emi ya de okay wa de okay emi ro pa ma hot mi igwa gege wa do alele ma no re social media gbe na ọpọn ni keyen jaji yen gbe do wa ma en make I block am I go block am we gbe we because if ye ọmọ na ni ya ti e lolo Monica e mo wi ya ti yen ni block e the platform we e o se we you understand block e because ọgọ ama no we me we no o ta we me no ta na. Now your opinion, but that opinion, Emma, opinion yama. I not block you since we wake banner when your opinion. He block you where lolo Monica. He block you where, but the opinion ma dejo. Tamoko no bie no nyek baby or more. Where if you go problem hero. Don't tama when no pass through or over. Yok by level yok by you. Tama very only. Okay, we try no work on yourself. Doesn't make a blog. I know me I live when you see I always opinion here no because I respect opinion but that's your opinion or my day job only because we take baba we have me vie we vie e worry e more even no emi o see me the vie na we no una my brothers and sisters emi o see me or pass through something o no dey normal e we gbe mi no e we gbo ni ni o wa emi so ro no pass through me no bom wo wa e wi ya ha do atamu wa ni So my brothers and sisters, now that one I see. So if you say no way, you don't like it, more like us or way. More like us or way, one. Anyway, if you care, call her. You know when in social media now, I not see any man at here, because uwe social media na we kinye ko bi dausa yeti do mo phone ya call bi dausa ni mo no pa ni akole no pa no when time na wa pick we good ma we pick we you throw away you understand because social media ya na the time e na so lo wa agunya gwa be private unless you land on the social media do time ho na dori oro be ni so since social media na be do fight egbeyan o ha ke ni be ha mi ye be le na be ta mi ya be meje megwa se petrol yemi oni be ni wala diana ni o be da sa gbe ologo egbe iyen wo ivie ma bo ma we oro be no so agbon ya ho ni it's normal thing wo o ma dey okay o ja we gbe be ni because wa ge o ma no me believe wo ma no te respect o ma no jo pan jo na gbe e me believe e vie do awe you understand Oma that is oma mi oma no ojo papan jo egbe so ye wa mo pa wa da kan mo oma ni ehe ga mo kian wa watch me watch go we gbe very oni so na be that one so o see na be tire man now because many time now we that side yo ge we if you be la we yo ge we me la dia ni we vie continue waka bo agbo bi da osa no era no offend we wa tie that di na no wata na or wa son no me do we na ye no we kwe so we mo jo se o ye no bi egbefere yan ha be do ata wo bi me magi ye me we that di ya tie we e dia ya we ni e o se bo se ya wo o se we no gele we mo na offend we o mo ya di dagbo do agbe uta ma ke no na offend we o be nwi na jo egui di my god so no we ama fi pa na wa na ri egbiwe I am talking about our children case. About our children case ni me believe you way on your hot TV. Wa ma yin salobua. Ame mi omo mo de bet me mi o na mi o money. Ona do awo ma na rere ma gba wo ma no rifua. Na mi o money. Ona awo ma na mi we on do ame meta problem. Aba gbalegbe na ga ta we to all rifua. Rifua bet ni doctor dia do no ta we wo sunu. Ona do ha ma problem ni e pastor. Ona do we ke ni mi ke de. My people. I'm a mere work by her. Oh, our view. I may suck by when you are there work by me, while we are, you know, when you have the rest. Our view, our end, who will degging ya, who will lay yaku, who will let any almost forget us a bit now. What about those who leave their children in Africa? Now, two different things. Wala wo. na two different thing na. No so the African ye feel like wa. O ma feel like wa avion na. Ti e be de agbe. It's two different things. Or even no see any na so no na ono na nia Oguero Strava ni. Ije me ya go wa gwan Oguero Strava to Africa. Umi o ba o. O ma ya go wa gwan ya compare, no be the same thing. Those one wey leave their children for Africa. O ma gwe. Iya be mu fo ya be tie we ba nevie dot yo ye be fo. Two different things, no, because then me ya denge the matière fidamento ni oda fun ya wa mo ya 100% eyan mu jobo. Two different things, no, wala wo. We be should give our life to Christ. Before can give a life for to Christ, okay can no can win na yegbe, you understand? Okay win na yegbe because we wa mi o me na taye nya o me no me hia wo po wa mu ari church. We no do akpo bo no do asin wa no. Only day a doctor no ka, no ka make a day okay ne. Okay ya ye church do give a life for to Christ because only day everything will be good. So only any one me nania. If ya man never tell saloba but only the no work in be. But now papa the children they with. Hey Jesus Christ. Now papa the children they with contribution to the welfare. Oh mama mia. What's here? Lolo Monica. You be man, you be woman. First tell me before I go answer you. First tell me la wo. Tamame, don't be ahun abi okohi. Because of a no way or contribute to a welfare or contribute. Katamame ne don't be ahun do okohi. Before I can answer. Vivier is better than Dimorphy. That one are your that one are your Vivier Dimorphy ya guero wa. Why you got Bena baby and is very better than because you know why me one of they believe one of they do like that. Lolo Monica tamame would not be a hindo ho. Tamame don't be a hindo ho because I be commenting no bene or you won't be a hin because we just more go very on. Iya vivi me gawata we vi money bien na ru demi sunu if you're not do iwi ya wina ya feeding ya idege money ba o we me gbon isalo bo wa la wo idege igunya gwan imedi ya we me de me fin ya kere why take be very oni eja advice if you very oni we dey with his father ama woman dey with his father if he stay there the children fit dey there but o keke no mi ya ba o le ba ni ya o we mi no keke ni jo mo keke no oni me tabu we children oni me tabu we evil children self me no taye ba ni we o ma na se gbe a odo ba me na se gbe a new thing osunu iye share 7 days am every week they will share 3 days for you 4 days for me or maybe again young winner we maybe one winner so iye share it's 50-50 it's 50-50 because wakabon nevie they ne judge it ha ma no win Nigeria gbe ni vie ma wo no maybe me ma no ebe maybe pe ne we bo no de la we bo a judge ha ma we now you have to work on yourself with this thing if now before you can see your children o ma na work your wumi ya do say 18 years do who are ni I'm working. No, only judge come on. Even the judge when we before we can give you the asset. No, ya me we. Umana we no vie beniya. They will never allow you. They will never allow you. You understand? They will never allow you. Ewe bomaje Africa. Uwe ya sevani ya mimi me. Africa. But she not fit care herself. Make it. Oh, if you need vie. Oma na are a page we ona do advice we but e lolo Monica nenemi e advice ni e ya ewu no e ya ewu oma onu nwi na yegbe we lolo Monica nenemi ne vie we be George aha me no nwi na jibegbe oke mi wie e George ma ha mi vie me gita mu wana because me a law here we we ante o ma ha mi vie where you will never see your children almost wa gwere yan o we no nwi na yegbe wa no or maybe no rather need a judge where you must work on yourself before you can see even one where other take away. If you we waiting. Hey, Taberi your way she cannot kill herself. Am I will not kill it, go and work on yourself. You better do that. The social media will never help you. Umanaya work before you know it, we are 18 years. And the mona be the way, boy, imagine mona be Africa. Not a well my forgive you. Na bia ma na omolog ben. Mostly we were working on Giovanni. Mostly we were working on Giovanni. If you got down the hole, down the only no watama we or yarekin irianje fine. And the father also about blessed because eti we no vie mogwe eti we because I go in be man Africa because even not time no because we not tie bania we they not only not tie bania we a day with the father not fit kill himself the man na when ye well ma we no jenani aru ito han we o ma emonania iyan once iyan na wa mi peke ammonia mi ne no biai because you have to stand for any atama walk and lele follow the rule ni atama we even enata no because many people are normally here having a now you can problem here when no cook here you work for yourself win na na when no win na job why win na job here gele beg we prove it all yes be ya ke do hama we okay give no ya mi we why see ya eneri ya pa we neri ya wa mu akoko ya gari gore I will very on ma understand I will very on never I will very on your balwe we gbe ogengu we gbe na o we na do ajo panikeje anybody uja yin gbe ya nwi na ye gbe we emi ne George kama we no ni we no agedian de mo magu we arriva ni omo gbe yan we 3 days here 4 days here or 2 days here because I have avion we very on yan okay why ti ya mi ya why ti ya won eri ya we kire because anyway do ajo panikeje man ni social media gbe One, I know. It's just that I like Ivie. I know. Maybe like you understand. We understand the Monica Lolo because a comment where we are more there because I comment no mama mo wa I me ware say bani. But have I say when image kata bena we enini na tinye ni Ivie Ivie we mi oja ma we be family me won. So me adega baby no una I ime where is not normal thing. Wa gele love very no tani we u like tamae. Uno we George ya we no yawo if ya wo geta because ologo before nyake me we mo we no ho no bio I me we something wrong. So now near we work on yourself before you can get your children back. If you wafi we you work on myself the best thing ya ga social media area if you go and work on yourself we are making na vie money no and we you can see how was set wa mi ri yan awa moju wobo e do afi we I dey work I dey pay them they eat on your pa on your love na hani no on your love na hani a love ije womo won so no ala dia no do atie bone man because man we tie bone many people yan kweme ze yo we because yan we no martin we gwalo man we ada come mu dem no sunu ni that nobody can help you what ba can set help egbe we you work on yourself while you work yegbe we ne e money e kodo ami we kere ama when you work close a social media we no e allow but go and work on yourself also one. So my brothers and sisters, ekere na when you water so oge no ga gbeba eta we eriangwe their father God go bless am because no dey ajo ma easy no be akoko mo hian o ma easy at all even man no herself when we that maternita oge omo we ije oro wo ho owo pe ama easy o be akoko mo hian we bo even wo wa self o ma easy because we no ije ni awo ere owo aye po wona wa kan we oye no ni kan gbe oye no no gba we no you know all those things ije ohun ese era awa me mira no kokomo o wa kokeso hu oro eti we ro but oni mami we no wa your right o wa fearful wa o ma bad problem iro mo ahian o da wo ta e hole won ivie so go and work on yourself only me beg mani so no stop having no ala dian do tie bone your godfather okay we ya tiny way is your godfather again no we ate ya see so masi e una mu go anybody no save and no gbe yan bai do offend we we tama that you wa offend me we na gele sono me all the explain ma we give no see ni na tai give no see ni na we ro dem no ga re ba ni no iye ni ya go bia na go no forget o we me ya yin yo mana all time when you understand ya yin ya yin no ni ga ta ba ni wa gbe ni ya yin ba ru danu na ba oge uri go ne okeke iro mari go ne nobody no take all see o vi that na we ya yin de tu ya yin wo ma brother if na ni una o wa be tell adian we o mari go me wa ba I dey forget all for very only. So my brothers and sisters, just a little one, my very own name. No tani my brother be my sister. Social media, happiness. Oh, social media, happiness or give you. Social media. Oh, ya live. Oh, ya live. You understand? Just see ya aware. Oh, ya while away the time. Oh, ya gbe frustration or gbe. Only a message no remember we know we no make her happy. If we no make her happy is if you no. If you make her happy. We be on no wa be wa boyfriend ne wa ni wa ready ne okekera wa destroy mani do agogo. Ologo ni Ọlọ́rọ̀ ni because o build o why o build e odoro we ya imore ba ni yan legare okeke ire ru that way yan mo pe ani giro ke mo ke ya na wa set you happy you understand set you happy so ogen we wa gbe ba Monica elolo Monica ni set you happy Facebook ya happy emi no ya happy is that if ni abi we if ya happy we ma be agbe so ni awa de won kan na wa de we ko no ovun we ni self alone so wa gi ma temata if you need day because what is so do I have a view mo pa bai o ma gba ni you must be one you must so no we brain we yon bi yan ni 7 months no ya be 9 months no ya be le no ya ko kian mo enwo money we fi we o de ge ye smile so no just the way vie ni do ma no push mo ari wa be doctor ni no gba ore that is ni goma gwa ni ba tinya o ni take care of people no me problem oni de o ma no push vie ari ba ni vie need TV no wa make her happy vie make her happy social media no dey comment no ma ni gbe ba so no so my people my people na I agree to Nania it's okay like that it's okay because nobody na me omo no happy wala wo ero why you got time because ya wa me so yan ta we go and take care of your children in so gbejo we na the papa na the ere ne no mo gba ore ne no mo ero mo gba oro mo abijo mo gba oro mo normally two of them heke no gba oginya better na emi we yan separate ne ijo mo avi okoko mo one ivie so ege man do advice worry down this one I don't know what I will tell now. Evi baby. Oh, there me hate me vie no high was is no pass through. Eh? There me hate man. When me rebania, when me wagwan sisi ansi. Umami ke na amwe bogbenia. Ah? Ona wa u nema. Umami ke na ta mani an we o ma responsible way of le mokwa. Eh? Umami we umami ke na ta we useless mother no. Ah, na wow. Na wa bete wane so no goma no gbe comment why ma very oni why help ma why help ma before me keta woman now we o now useless it's a nenemi mother it's nenemi this one I ka re mi no sunu ne me wa de point very oni wa I bere emi no sunu da viene so yet dollar dia ni do amwe ere bai no I no dey do that one iwe gbe very oni because of home making ana be vi mo bani ana we saba gavie evine ana vi me bani inye me no e no ya touch me we mind me we brain me emi opa o ya spark mani anybody no have me good money I know e ya ha a good money ni iya gba lo egbe wa we e mata no o ma na de ha ma we you look beautiful beautiful ni wo ya ha I do you because emi so mari gba be brain do that when another vi o ma mo. So now be that one. So why I gotta take baby on no, I know they put fire. When we me now, you go to here and Jamie. I'll try to talk if no make any ata. The money I take come and take care. No go very way. What was saloba no saloba. When I get love you, bana no we vie me Georgia hama we no or when you tema tama what tama we. O mana when you tema ta be tama we. O we ama when you when you are rigore ofu and o ge wani ewe bona mayajo let's mind the law mind law no mo we mudia owa awa George etika ma we no ho ya anwi na no be ago mo no we arigore no they will never tell you that because be aheke no ya anwi na o heke no gba owo mo so ogene do ai yana do change there is something no heke no vie la wo ya we na ni ya we ni pe abiele vie emi kpia iyama he wan yama weni ahe tu if not mostly ijiana fuck up hi when me tana ni wata we abeg owi me no dion 20 something years oye ikata mo wa when ye yagu me go agbenso owi me o sheki yo shekire e ma tata mo wa owi me nwa na e give your momo we wa ge ya akpa be na we o ga da bet ye tana me we ijian move ana ohona me we rin offend we ye ha gbeswe eri mi kpiaje emi kpia yama understand why ije you have to be there eri nyata emi kpia o heke no arriva anything no really wo da fun we no wo your boy we ho da fun we no arriva eri mi kpiaje emi hu o be do awa e understand no apa e kpia ma no emi kpia ma understand ya ma understand you are me we when I we don't feel where we in the judge we no ya anwa na ya agwa lo very sorry fa no ya wa we life ya bani again it's too late to cry that is that to my brothers and sisters why we who pass through it me we mo we na give you back a judge we no we me ye na ni before ya ke your money ja we eta we they go find me on Africa where they go find me on Africa where they go find me yeah anywhere once or say 18 years no one is life for where you have me where you are my son you are my enemy exe your way even you hana do ahama we wagaje again na aje school Africa ni awe tita we usega no eri enemy mamie dai eri ga ari gwe odo ewe bonana very sorry a money time awe owe oko we me mi we ya the ticket ya bunya de
ye do why no me ave mo na bia we boya gwa ya wa atokpa nya ti se ma we ori ma no wa ni ya on e ga ne jo ma oteso o e komi nei beti ma na o wa ne we e ya fe anu a reply o must to reply eh. So my brothers and sisters, just a little one, because man need take thank you. Man need take a time. We work baby you understand. So vi baby while gele we mi vi he believe he when one follow if any keke lolo Monica. He believe he go work gele we mo do wa gele we mo what am I ma wa gele we mo unless we work no wa jo wa like a saga no because on ma ni vieje on ni don ma kakabo no are side ore on ni de o si na do ha mo vi da sabania we nege iladia no ye take ebe na wo ye if ye ni de on ni de kakabo because on sabana ya we no ma gba bani ado atawe ade ma ade ti on ade nya no pa nya ya bizu gbe nya he because if ye mo se social media mo se social media obi da sa o ira o ije o ti on o egbon re so that is just that obi da sa la wo ma on iladian won iladian no do reply o ke we ya ta ne we owo no because u ka e we agberan gbiri no ke mu so ye mu very oni try egbo de na hwe emi le do ya po mo we emi nu da vie na sa bo bless you we because e wo pa wa je ba ni you understand osabo a bless you we be ya wo we zere gbe so ave bono tie nu eni e de zejo we wa ge wo mo nu we je ki we ya bi ogu we gun awon oni meme o for me because me are your man where you are my goddaughter imu welele ya because eke we yata mame okay we yata ne with Jess I will stand for you so gele standing Okay, my people, I agree to now, bye bye, because na no me na igwa kokerenje mi, ogeni dola di ani do akokerenjo, oni do riviere ni agbe, me agbe vie bania, o madam me because he no pass through, no pass through ni oja we, rivie, because o ma no gele watch ye, ga no na dala di ave no pe, ne vie na ro wa, yoga agenia, udo ya compare to egena. Anybody no one like trapping any off yen or man ye man hearing your man gene or say no with us and nearly wherefore because or lady na name London only who and win even in jaw so with us we are do where bania where anything else no die I will no because we understand because we were move very on so continue a very man lao we me do me we man lao one lao de gbo or when or is la dian wa go to boy la wa o be yen we nana ni ewu na ri ma anu wa no be ya comment why push e wa la wo if you ma de normal re oni o ma de normal because it China way because o ma we o ma na we depress ima emma wa push o ma ni if you wait e bonu la dian o be la dian if you we no pa la dian o be gele la dian because wa ro ayo ro ere if you get ro awe yo ro awe re won and so my people on me I leave una mona go do something okay omania me I leave una na do well na bye bye so I still thank God for say the okay na do well na bye bye my people see my barrister barrister on Facebook lovely Eikyo ya I greet you I beg I believe say this one na the real one not be the fake one I don't know whether na the real one if na the real lovely Eikyo ya na it be the real one I be na the fake one not say many people why we when so yan waje fake one yaki my sister I beg me want to beg you okay na fake lovely okay me I just forget oh say na fake one okay no problem if na fake one because I think say na the real one because I know say so not be the real one no mania okay now bye bye my people since not be the real one because say where the real one no need to go It's fake. Oh. Okay, no problem, my people. No problem. Okay, now bye bye. Now bye bye. If you go and work on yourself, my lady, eh? Go and work on yourself. Osabo, bless you. I hear you, mama. They say you be fake, oh. No, but lovely. They say na fake one, not true. I sure say na fake one because it be like say you insult Ivie for year. Na me, oh. You believe? I don't believe, oh. They say na fake. Na fake, okay, na fake. No problem, no problem, no problem. They say na fake one. I go call you later. Okay, may you call me later now. My phone number dey there. If na the real one, eh? No problem. Now do well. Now bye bye now, eh? So, bye bye. Now bye bye, my people, eh? I greet everybody. Now thank you. Why ya wese, eh? So, why mona know the why got here Bonivie walao man walao walao why got here bonne because oye na me woman no man no. I understand. I'm no man no. Why got here bonne? Yeah, where tell me no where you bet. Now why I give advice, tell me many things no they no you know. So I agree to now. Okay, thank you, V baby. Thank you, everybody. I love everybody. So, una do well. Wa bye bye. Wa ciao. Wa ciao. Me I leave una. Me I go do other thing. Love it. Love it. Like you. Yeah, they say na fake one. No problem. Why? With the answer. So, my brother. Hey, ya gba Olivier ma na be yak pon me we understand when we ya we na no ma na be le gbo ma ni di yak pon mo we won is Olivier ya be me no ta lo ni gbo kan ma understand won ma ni gbe kan o me be no je ma ni gbe kan ma ni gbe ma kan e opa egbe akon wa at least o very you wa we no be mi one one on one ma ni gbe kan ma ni gbe ma kan e opa ma ni gbe anything no really time ma gbe kan So, na bye bye. I agree to na. Ciao.